Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pesto sauce using cashew nuts. This flavorful twist on a classic recipe is surprisingly simple to prepare and offers a wonderfully creamy texture. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh, vibrant basil, aromatic garlic, and rich Parmesan cheese. Cashews provide a delightful, subtle nuttiness that truly elevates the sauce, making it a fantastic alternative to traditional pine nut pesto. Let's get cooking. Now let's get to the blending. First, consider lightly toasting your cashews. This step is optional but really brings out their nutty flavor. Next, add your basil, garlic, cashews, and Parmesan cheese to a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped and start to form a paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. This gradual addition helps emulsify the sauce, creating that perfect smooth consistency. Once your pesto is blended, it's time to taste and adjust. Add salt and pepper to your liking, and don't be shy about a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It brightens the flavors beautifully. If the pesto is too thick, you can add a tablespoon or two of water or more olive oil to reach your desired consistency. To store, transfer your pesto to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or you can freeze it for longer enjoyment. Your homemade cashew pesto is incredibly versatile. Toss it with your favorite pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or dollop it over scrambled eggs for a burst of flavor. You can also get creative by trying different herbs like parsley or cilantro, or even other nuts such as walnuts. The possibilities are truly endless for incorporating this delicious sauce into your meals. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.